Hi everyone, my name is Ashley and today I'm going to be sharing with you the Lola Lash Too by Antonym Mascara. This is a really great certified organic option. Has no harsh chemicals in there, so it is ideal for people with sensitive skin, sensitive eyes. If normal mascaras are too harsh for you, this one will be absolutely amazing without sacrificing any of the performance at all whatsoever. The wand of this mascara is great because it is a plastic wand, has a nice suction so you never get too much product on your brush and get it all over the place. And this is a plastic wand that is really quite spiky, has many levels to it so you can really separate the lashes, define, and get great length and volume. So you'll see when I apply this mascara that I like to sort of take it at the base and apply it upwards, and I like to do a couple coats of this because it builds absolutely beautifully, is really nice and deep dark black, which might be my favorite thing about it, and the length on this is insane. The sort of comb-like brush also allows for separation to happen with the lashes, which allows for your lashes to never look clumpy and get that extra long sort of just feathery, amazing look to your lashes. I love how my lashes look today. Not only that, but if you turn it sideways and apply it to the bottom, it looks equally gorgeous. So this builds, it lengthens, it's black, lasts all day. It's kind of amazing. The length on this I think is especially noteworthy. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.